issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fairfield County, south central Licking County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Baltimore, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Lancaster, Pickerington, Heath, Canal Winchester, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Pleasantville, Fairfield Beach, Harbor Hills, Thornport, Thurston, Kirkersville, Carroll, Fairfield County Airport, State Route 158 at State Route 204, Interstate 70 at State Route 37 and Interstate 70 at State Route 13. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 122 and 139. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m.